Good morning, citizens of Long Island. I am Violet Worms with Eli Jacob from GNK. Today we are informed of an important topic about our energy. We were informed of this topic from the Sustainable Development Goals, SDG.
This SDG isn't only about energy, but is also about many other important things. But today we talk about the energy SDG 7 because of its importance to humanity and people. Let's see what David Irwin has to say about this topic.
People really depend on gas because a lot of people drive gas-powered cars. But after gas is used, it becomes the car's exhaust. That then adds to the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. But we can start to use renewable energy so we won't run out. Sadly, lots of people would be put out of work if everyone switched to renewable energy. A lot of miners would lose their jobs.
Thank you, David. And yes, we do depend on gas, but not only gas do us humans depend on. We depend on fossil fuels. Due to the United States, 85% of energy used each year comes from fossil fuels. Coal, natural gases, and oil are fossil fuels. Coal also produces energy. Natural gases provides power for stoves and water heaters in most homes. And other oils such as gasoline, diesel, fuel, and jet fuels power our cars, trucks, and airplanes. As you can see, we depend on many different sources.
But our use of these resources can harm our environment. All fossil fuels are essentially non-renewable because nature cannot keep up enough with demand. Many experts say the world's oil wells may be empty in a few decades. But before then, the oil supply will be too small to meet the global demands. Back to you, David.
Although fossil fuels are easy to get, renewable resources are way better. If we use them, people won't have to get dirty mining coal, and we won't create more greenhouse gases that will get into the atmosphere and damage the ozone layer. Plus, most fossil fuels will eventually run out.
Dams are also bad for the environment. Well, what is a dam? You may be asking, well, a dam is a wall that gets put into a river. The dam has a wheel inside of it, so when water flows through it, it turns the wheel and spins a part of the machine. Then the machine starts to generate energy that powers nearby towns.
But dams are very bad for the environment because it blocks the river's flow. This means that it can stop floods. Of course, flood prevention is great, but it's not so great for rivers. Flood produces sediment, which is a mixture of gravel, sand, and topsoil. Sediment deposited by flood keeps soil rich in farmlands located near rivers. When a river is dammed, it cannot renew soil on land.
As you can see, today's topic has an effect on people and humanity, but we can stop these bad effects from happening by using renewable resources. Some examples of these renewable resources are solar energy, recycling, wind energy, hydropower, geothermal energy, and biomass energy, and many more. Thank you for watching GNK News.